Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. And as you can already guess, this is going to be yet another unboxing video. It mostly contains Peco Classics, so I've been getting my hands on few more Peco Classics after I discovered them few weeks back, and I found them to be a delightful read. And if you are a fan of classics and love the comics format, then Peco Classics Illustrated is the best format to buy and enjoy them, and they come at a very good price. So I would definitely recommend them to all of you. Let's quickly jump in and see what we have as part of today's unboxing. As you guys can see, we have a set of comics here, and the first one which I want to show are the Peco Classics. So last time when I got this Peco comics, I missed out on getting this one, which is Sherlock Holmes, and he is one of my favorite, fictional character, fictional detective. Let's say right after Batman. But yeah, so this is a story of adventures of Sherlock Holmes, published by Peco. And I read this long time back when the Peco Classics were still publishing it, I think around in the early 2000s. And I still remember reading this book, although I don't have that book handy, so that's why I went ahead and got this one. Right, as you know, Peco Classics come at around 45 rupees, which is a good enough price for me to grab them. Next one I have grabbed was Dracula, and this is slightly costlier. It is 45 bucks, 5 rupees extra, because this is kind of like a flagship comic from Peco Classics, and I simply love the cover art that you can see here. And obviously I'm sure most of you guys will know how, and it's published by Cochin, by the way, published in Cochin, Broadway Cochin Pay and Co company. And yeah, this is the famous first page which I still remember, and the story as well, right? It's a classic Dracula story, so good to have this again. The last one I had that book had some issues which I grabbed from the shop, and unfortunately that was the only book, only Dracula copy that was there with the shop at that point, so I could not choose another one. I just picked it out, and again, see this page again. This is simply a wonderful illustration, and yeah, it's the same story again reprinted, and in fact they are even offering subscription. So in case any of you guys are wanting to have these books coming to your doorstep every month, then do go and subscribe. And the third book I have from them is a latest release. This is the most recent, I think, but again now I think that one more has come out, Treasure Island by R.L. Stevenson. I plan to collect all the Peco Classics because I simply believe that there will be a great addition to my collection, and it won't be a big dent to my pocket as well, right? So it's pretty good price, and I even love that it's not like too much of a gutter loss. The illustrations are black and white, which I simply love. I'm happy that they kept it to that rather than going and making it all color. So they stick to the old formula, and I think it's working. I've seen many people picking them off now, and hopefully after COVID becomes better and the shops reopen, I'm sure you will find this in the newsstands and the regular bookshop as well. So looking forward to a time where I can just go and grab them from the shops as well. But anyways, the good part is they've already are getting this out to your hands by shipping nowadays. And the other book which I grabbed is a random grab. It was Star Wars Episode 1 Phantom Menace. It's an old graphic novel format. It's not in the best of shape, but yeah, I mean, it's a Star Wars, and not a big fan of Star Wars, and but I know that what it contains. It has some great cover arts, and yeah, and in the story you have all the main characters coming together in this, lightsabers, lot of action. This is the first story. I think this is where they start looking for Anakin Skywalker, and they find him, and they kind of like recruit him, and all those into the Jedi, and all those things happen in this book. So it's quite an old book, Not in a great condition as you guys can see, but still a book which I would love to keep it as part of my collection. If any of you guys are Star Wars fans and would want me to do a review on this, do definitely let me know and I will be happy to oblige. So that's Star Wars Episode 1 Phantom Menace. The last book which I have of this lot of this unboxing is Like That Only. This I picked up the R.K. Lakshman collection of cartoons sometime back and I really enjoyed it, and that's why I thought I'll order this one as well. Like That Only has a lot of cartoons that's got published in I think Times of India and all that, and the good part is it's all color and it's a heavy book, right? So I'm really looking forward to enjoying this one, giving it a complete read and relieving some of the fun, because this cartoon strips dates back I think to 80s and 90s. Yeah, it dates back to 90s. You can see the Lagan movie and all that here. A lot of cricket stuff. I could see Sachin Tendulkar in between. I saw Navjot Singh Sidhu in between. So looking forward to catching up on all those stuff that went down in the 90s. So it's a pretty good edition. Like you could see the thickness of this book. That is Like That Only by Jug Suraya and Ajit Ninan. But yeah, I'll do a proper review of this one. And so those are the comics, guys, from this unboxing. I hope I'm so excited to grab a hold of this, and pretty decent prices as well. So in case you want me to review anything specific from this, let me know and I will be happy to tell you how my reading went. Until next time, this is Street Smart Joker. Bye bye.